Welcome to today's video. Experience dramatic moments on the streets, from terrifying car accidents to breathtaking, dangerous situations. In the moments when there seems to be no way out, miracles appear, bringing unforgettable emotions. The truck rushed forward, crushing everything. The cars were crushed. The smoke and dust filled the sky. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
No, you did that. Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail. That's not our problem.
You can go, man.
Better run.
I mean, really.
Now you can go. She's decided to be an
The
idiot.
collision between the two cars was so strong that the front of both cars were crushed. The tragic accident left the car driver in a state of panic. I don't understand what happened to the driver. Luckily, there were no casualties. Surely this guy has done a lot of good deeds and is protected by God? Oh, how lucky. The driver's timely braking saved the mother and child from death. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please share your most impressive moments in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video.